It turned out to be a pretty nice day across the region, but we are already starting to see some changes. The clouds are increasing ahead of our next cold front, so mostly cloudy skies have returned. You'll see that showing up on our sky cams tonight. But the front is still off to our north and west. You get a pretty good view of where that front is just by looking at some of the temperatures. Here at home, closer to home, still running in the 60s, but Minneapolis back at about 56, and behind that front we have some 30s showing up. This cold front will start to work its way into the area overnight tonight and into Friday. Temperatures, though, still very warm at this point, so if you like the warm weather, take advantage of that while it's around. Mount Vernon right now coming in at 64 degrees, Marion holding at a 66. We've got Paducah at 69 along with Cape Girardeau and Kennett at 68. Threat tracker tonight, we're watching that chance for showers making its way into the area. Some light shower activity will continue into Friday. Widespread light showers expected, but really not a washout. Now, by the time we get to the weekend, we see that cooler air push in. We will see dry conditions come back, but it is going to be quite a bit cooler than it has been. So here's what we've got going on. A wide look of the satellite and radar. Again, you can see all of the cloud cover that's making its way in. That front still off to the north and west. That will push into our area tonight, bringing back that chance for rain. As far as the next couple of hours go, if you need to run some errands and you don't want to worry about the rain, you still have some time. We're talking very late tonight, honestly after midnight, when we actually start to see that front progress into the area. That will bring a chance for some widespread light showers as we head into the very early morning hours on Friday. That front works its way through the region during the day, and a few lingering showers could continue into the early afternoon. But as we start to get into the afternoon and evening, those rain chances will drop off. Before we see that cool air settle in, we'll still see the temperatures climbing up into the 60s. But as we head into the overnight hours Friday, we'll start to see that colder air push in with those winds shifting out of the north. So again, some pretty big changes coming our way. As far as that rainfall goes, again, we're not talking about a washout at this point. This is that rainfall forecast for the next 3 days. And all of this light green that you see showing up on the map, I think we're generally talking under 1/10 of an inch, maybe some isolated locations seeing higher than that across parts of western Kentucky. So not much when it comes to the rainfall. You can track the rain on that Storm Track 3 app right there on your phone. Behind this, here comes the cooler air, right? So by the time we get to Saturday, 54 degrees. Sunday, we warm up just a little bit, but then we're tracking our next system as we head into Monday and Tuesday next week that will reinforce that cold air. So by the time we get to the middle of next week, Thanksgiving, well, it's going to feel like Thanksgiving.
Oh, it sure is.
Yeah, maybe enjoy it inside with lots of food.
Yeah,
right?
there you go.
Yes.
All right, thank you, Jacie. Well, Tesla's